Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel at the Adyaan Asadullah. Yeah, and today we'll be continuing off of part 2. So with no further ado, let's go back to my TSA website for that qualified for state, and let me illustrate or show you guys and help you guys understand the code of the second part. So yeah, let's go on. Here it is. Alright, I believe we left off on this header part from that code last time, so we're going to continue from here. Okay, so essentially the center tag over here means to just center everything that's going to be inside of it. It's like an old form of HTML, but I like to use it because it's very, like, I don't have to do like a bunch of CSS on it and stuff, and then instead I could just put this HTML tag. And moving on. But I don't know if many people would accept this form of HTML anymore, so that's why it's kind of highlighted red. But if you guys want to, you guys can. So yeah, so this next part is section ID. Section ID is basically referencing this part over here. So yeah, it's basically referencing this tab over here and the information that's going to be displayed in this tab. And yeah, this class part, yeah, this over here, this is this is supposed to be the tag that you use whenever you are using your CSS. So for example, for CSS you put dot class hero. Let me show you. Right here you put dot hero, and then you put the CSS, and then you put the CSS. Essentially, you put the CSS like syntax. Yeah, that's the word. Sorry, brain fart there. But you essentially put the CSS syntax, and you put dot, and then put whatever the class is. So yeah. Okay, and then next we have H1. As we all know, I'm pretty sure you guys know, HTML is pretty easy to understand, but H1 essentially means header 1, and I made it be Cypress Connect. This is basically a paragraph, this next phrase. Use HTML syntax, put a greater than or equal to sign and a less than or equal to sign, with a P in the middle, and you put a slash before the P to end your statement, basically. This is a button function, and I put some JavaScript on this portion